Dude, it's finally here. Halo 3.
Over a year delays, but this is totally gonna be worth it.
You ready, man?
Pop it in.
I am never going to forget this moment.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
What was that?
Yeah, the speakers must be on the wrong channel or something. I'll fix it.
I am so glad I took this week of work off.
Oh yeah, here comes Master Chief!
Wow, this is some crazy planet. There's so many bad guys. I'm going bonkers.
Is that his voice?
I guess they went in a different direction this time.
It still looks awesome.
Oh yeah, it looks phenomenal.
Johnny Halo, only you can defeat the evil space pirates and overturn Dracula's curse.
Dracula's curse? What happened to fighting the Covenant?
Dude, it's starting. Shoot that guy!
Yeah, you'll never take me alive, Halo, see? Eat my space dust. Meow, meow. Bang, bang, bang.
If I could turn back time,
Blop, 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 blop.
That looks phenomenal.
Bang, bang, bang. I shot you. I shot you.
Hey, you guys. I am a robot.
Blop, 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 blop. Ouch, I was hit by a bullet.
You truly are Halo 3.
I don't know if we're going to make it, Mr. Halo. Hi, this is Marty Scorsese, and I'm here to talk about the world of Halo 3.
Game over. You're fired.
Want to play again?
I think I'm gonna go to work.
Alright. Let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is
Halo!
a little bit of
Halo!
my life, a little bit of
Halo!
by my side, a little bit of
Halo!
all I need, a little bit of
Halo!
what I see, a little bit of
Halo!
in the sun, a little bit of
Halo!
all night long, a little bit of
Halo!